Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. I know I said I was only going to do watch videos or watch related videos, but this is a knife, and I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more knives, but I don't know. I just wanted to try out a knife with the Wharncliffe style blade, and I was on Amazon and I saw this knife, so whatever, I figured I would buy it. So, I'll leave a link in the description to this knife. It was like less than 15 bucks, so I think it's worth it to try at that price. It's a Smith & Wesson knife, and also I was trying to buy an American-made knife, but anyway, I saw this on there. It was like 60% off, so what the heck, I figured I would try it. So let's get out of here. Just want a knife that I can easily sharpen, and I think I could easily sharpen this style of blade, and it should hold an edge a little bit better than this guy here. I don't think it's necessarily all that scary looking, but I don't know, we'll see it here. Kind of an impulse purchase. Oh, there we go. Feels pretty light, probably, I don't know, 3 ounces or so. So, not really much of a knife guy. I don't know if this is plastic or aluminum. Interesting. So let's open it up. So frame lock. Oop. It's more slippery than grippy. There we go. Didn't cut myself, so that's good. It doesn't feel all that snappy either when you deploy it. For example, I've been using this knife. This is the Kershaw Oso Sweet. Got this in Tennessee. I guess on Amazon, this one's about 22, 23 bucks. In Tennessee, I bought it from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. With the taxes and everything, I think it was 32, 35 bucks, something like that. But yeah, this thing has some torque to it when you do the assisted opening. So you just pull on the flipper here, and then it'll, once you get past a certain point, let's see if I can demonstrate that. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, so this one's a little bit harder to open. We can demonstrate it with this one. Once you open the knife blade to a certain point, then the spring takes over and just opens it the rest of the way for you. Yeah, see, there's opening, and then it opens. That's a softer open than this one here. Okay, you can look at the blade down here, see how far it comes out just with my finger pressure. So I guess they're about the same. So anyway, I'm going to try and use this for a bit here. Handle doesn't quite feel as ergonomic, but basically just for opening boxes and that type of stuff. I don't really do anything else other than that. Doesn't really feel all that sharp though. The Kershaw was really sharp out of the box. It still is sharp. So anyway, just a quick unboxing. I'll let you know how it goes with this knife. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. This is about the same size as this one. Normally, I just carry this knife here. Actually, they have the aluminum handle version of this. This is what I've carried for the longest time. But on that one, some of the ball bearings, the ball bearing system's not as smooth as this one, and the blade is getting really loose. I have to keep tightening the screw on that one. So this one is just all finger pressure. This is not assisted or anything. I prefer a non-assisted blade. I've been looking at getting a Spyderco, probably a Spyderco Para 3. Just want something to be able to fidget with. You can do that reverse flick type thing, and I can tell it's going to take me a lot of work to do that. not used to doing that motion. And also it has you can use the hole with your thumb. So we'll see. Anyway, trying not to get into too much knife stuff here, but just figured I would try this for 14 bucks. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. So I was still playing around with this thing, and I looked at it here. You can see the blade centering is horrible on this. It's not quite hitting the side of the frame here, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll just return this. This does not exude confidence. Is it the? I'm almost wondering if the liner lock is kind of tilting the blade over that way. Interesting. So maybe this isn't a knife to buy, or maybe it's okay for the 15 bucks. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of that. I've never had not that I have a lot of knives, but never had one where the centering is that far off. This one's right on. This is a 10-year-old knife, but I really haven't used it that much. So anyway, I might have to return this one. We'll see.